My 8th grade service project was very eye-opening to me. In previous schools, I had only once ever had to do a service project like this one. But this time, I had many new, interesting experiences. At the beginning of the year, when I heard about this mandatory service project, I was honestly not very motivated. And unlike many people, it was until later that I actually started working on this project. In band class a few months ago, some girls came into class and introduced the Crystalite Methodist Home Project. And as soon as I heard about this, I was intrigued. The girls told us about the possibility of us going to an elderly home and playing music. When I went for my first week, I brought my French horn and was excited to play. But what I realized was that this was more than just playing music. We interacted and socialized with the residents there, and let me tell you, there was not one person without a smile on their face. I learned so much from this project. First, that I should never slack off because there's not a grade involved, but also how much I take for granted. Music meant so much to the people at Crystal Life Methodist Home, but it's just an everyday occurrence for me. This project was not only a lot of fun, but also taught me so much about myself.